Hi, so I've been able to resolve the issue concerning putting up the virtual machine. All I had to do was to boot into my BIOS and turn on the virtualization for the system. So if you encounter the same issue, I'm very sure that doing the same thing will fix that as well. So I'll be using the material here and I'll be jumping straight to step 1, which is to import the virtual machine into the virtual box. Click on File and import the appliance. So File, Import Appliance, and then choose the location of the image that have already been downloaded. Mine is in the download section. So I'll just scroll down to where it is and pick it up and click on Open. Then click on Next. At this point, there is nothing else to do. Just leave it as it is and click on Import. So we're going to wait for this to finish loading. The whole process took about 6 minutes to complete, and so we'll be moving straight to the next thing here on the list. The next thing is to open this machine that we have just downloaded. So to do that, to click on Start and just wait for it to load up. Although we have been told that we'll be asked for a username and a password, but I don't think that will be happening in this instance. So our environment is coming up and we'll just wait for it to load. And once it's done, we'll be right inside the environment. So in order to save time, I'm going to skip all the wait time. So we'll just go right into the environment. Remember, mine did not request for a username and a password. And I'm thinking if you're also just downloading yours, it should not. But if it does, the details have been provided on the lab file. So this is how it will look like, the environment that we have just downloaded. Machine that we downloaded. You can just familiarize yourself with the environment here. It's very similar to the one that you're already using, but this time you just click on this menu to bring out other menus that you have. You have the search box, and you can also go ahead to click on all applications to view all the applications within this system. So we'll be looking at how all this works later, and you can also explore these things on your own and at your free time. So the next thing we're going to be doing is to open the terminal application, and then we'll type in the command IP address to ascertain the IP address of our local machine. So we click on terminal and then we type in IP address. So what I'll be doing here is that I will just put this up so you see how it comes up, and then you will be answering the question that is here. This time around, you don't have to submit. I'm going to ask about it in the next class. The next activity is to locate the web browser and find out if you can actually navigate to your favorite search engine. You can see a web browser here, but of course your job here is to test if it actually works. So please click on it, go to your web browser and see if you can actually navigate to your favorite search engine. If you can, your answer should be yes, and if you cannot, your answer should be no. The third question, which is the reflection, has already been answered in the live class, so we can skip that. Document your answer into the Microsoft Word document that will be sent alongside this video, just for your own record purpose, and we can discuss about it in the next class. In the next class, we're going to be using the terminal application to provision accounts and give rights to different users within the system. So see you in the next class.